Dollar yen, we're still anticipating that level. Okay, so this was a good very good entry, market maker sell model, back to the down candle, and then we're still anticipating this level for our buy to continue going higher. All right, so watch that level. If you want to sell short, by all means, you have to wait for pullback before, because price has moved away. Okay, and then I want you to study how price is dropping. I want you to study how price is dropping, and then take notice of these up candles prior to the move down. And then once we turn around, see how they will behave once we start going higher. So this is a market maker buy model. It's a sell model which will become a buy model. So it's like it's preparing the buy. Okay, consolidation, breakaway, redistribution, and then we have another redistribution in here, and then we get a reversal, and then we start climbing up high again. Okay, so this would be a trade for next week or next 2 weeks, depending on how quick they run down. Euro yen price is still stuck there. I think the yen and the euro is both on the same level. So today there's nothing going on for it. We could see potentially price pop back up again, but because the euro and the yen are both weak, that's why we're seeing what we're seeing. But eventually one is going to give way, which I'm suspecting what the pound yen did. Okay, like this one took out the stops and then popped up. I'm suspecting this is going to do the same thing, but it's waiting for something, right? So you can literally either be patient and wait for a break in market structure, or where we are, buy it, place your stop here, okay, and then anticipate a move back above.